This screencast is going to be about a very important hormone called melatonin. Melatonin can be associated with being tired and your sleep schedule. This right here is a two-dimensional diagram of the structure and complexity of melatonin. Melatonin has a serious effect on the circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm is like the daily schedule for the body. The circadian rhythm is the body's daily clock and plays a role on many daily processes in which the body goes through. But most importantly, melatonin plays a significant role in the sleep schedule and when the body wakes up and why it wakes up every day. Melatonin is released from the pineal gland inside the brain. This right here is the pineal gland inside the brain, and it is about the size of a pea and is located behind the third ventricle of the brain. The pineal gland is best known for releasing melatonin. The release of melatonin begins with the recognition of light. Photons are picked up by your eyes, and a signal is sent to a part in the hypothalamus called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or the SCN. The SCN constantly monitors the reception of light throughout the day and determines when the production of melatonin is necessary. This graph does a great job at showing how during the day, melatonin levels are very low when the sunlight is present. But in the evening, the melatonin levels start to rise up right here, and your melatonin levels peak in the middle of the night. And then, at the end of your sleep, the melatonin levels decrease, and throughout the day, they remain very low. This is a diagram I drew with my awesome art skills that shows the cycle of melatonin. Like mentioned earlier, it all begins with the presence or absence of light. In this case, light is being received by the eye, and then the eye sends chemical signals to a part in the hypothalamus called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, which notifies the body that it is still light outside. Then the SCN sends a signal to the pineal gland, and in this case, since there is light present, there will be no melatonin released. On the other hand, if the eye recognizes that there is no light outside, then another signal is sent to the SCN, which notifies the body that it is dark. Then the SCN relays the message to the pineal gland, which triggers the release of melatonin, which helps you fall asleep. Thanks for watching this screencast, and I hope you learned some more about melatonin.